Clearing your search history on TripAdvisor can help maintain your privacy and improve your browsing experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TripAdvisor website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure you're signed in to access your search history. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or name, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Find search history. Within the account settings, locate the section dedicated to your search history. This may be labeled a search history activity or something similar. Step 5. Clear your search history. Once you find your search history, look for an option to clear or delete it. Click on this option and confirm your choice if prompted. Your search history should now be cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on TripAdvisor. Regularly updating your privacy settings can enhance your overall experience on the platform.